In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss about Walmart stock. And friends, our today's strategy will be purely based on swing trading analysis, due to which your position holding period will be very less. Your position holding period will be 4 to 5 days only, and in that 4 to 5 days you will get an opportunity to capture 4 to 5% on the higher side from the current price, because the stock has broken out from multiple positive breakouts from the current price. Friends, I want to draw your attention over here. This was a top where correction started on the stock, and there was a downward sloping parallel channel, and as far as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got pressurized by a price wise correction on the downside, and there was a back to back lower lows. If you see over here, you will find first lower lows, second lower lows, and this was a third lower lows. And as far as this downward sloping parallel channel got breakout on the higher side, you would have noticed the first time lower lows has been shifted to higher highs. And my friends, this is a confirmation. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction. The stock had bottom out and it's ready to give an upside move. And friends, here we got two positive signal. First of all, the downward sloping parallel channel got breakout on the upside. The second positive signal, lower lows shifted to higher highs. And third positive signals will be an RSI. The third positive signal will be a diversion. Friends, if I put an MACD, if you see over here, you will get a positive hidden diversion. Friends, if you see the lower lows of the price actions, and if you compare the lower lows of the price action with the MACD oscillation, the oscillation is flat, and the price action lower lows it tilted on the downside, and here we got the breakout. So this will going to give an upside pump on the stock. Whenever you get a positive diversion, there is a chance the stock would get a short covering and upside move. And friends, we got three positive signals. First signal was downward sloping parallel channel got breakout on the higher side, lower lows shifted to higher side up, lower lows shifted to higher highs, and third we got a positive hidden diversion. And now we will talk about the positive chart patterns. Friends, if you see over here, we got a clear positive chart breakout. If you see over here, we got a rounding bottom breakout, and this is the neckline. This is a neckline of rounding bottom, and the inside range of this rounding bottom is around 4 to 5%, and here it's ready to give the same amount of movement after the breakout of this neckline. The neckline has already got broken out. The neckline is $80.90. It's already gone breakout, and now the target of this stock will be, soon you will see this stock will be reaching $84.50. Mark my word, friends, soon you will see the stock reaching $84.50. And if you want to keep a stop loss over here, then you can keep the first nearest lower swing. You would find this is the best. If you get an closing, its stop loss should be on closing basis, and we will put the stop loss as a red line. And if you find this stock closing the 2 hours candle, you have to notice, since we are working on 2 hours, so you have to notice if you got of any first candle, 2 candle closing below 79, then you consider that as a stop loss, and you wind up your trade, my friends. And your target will be this much. So if you calculate your risk to reward ratio, then this much will be your risk, and this much will be your risk, your stop loss, and your reward will be this much, your target. So your risk to reward ratio is 1:2. It's quite favorable, friends. And this was my analysis, friends. If you like my videos, please like. If you really like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and gives a thumbs up to my video, and I'll give you the more and more stock which having the great breakouts on the upper side, where you can earn a handsome amount. Thank you, friends.